This is not an era for business as usual. Too much is at stake in our world, in our workplaces, in our communities. This is an era for virtuous individuals with diverse interests and uncommon potential to lead human enterprises forward. And this is an era for a business degree that gives those purpose-driven leaders the tools to connect their gifts to a better future for all. At Notre Dame's Mendoza College of Business, we seek and recognize what is unique in every student, charting an individualized professional development path grounded in the creation of shared value within teams, for companies, across communities, for society as a whole. From product vision to execution at scale, from building teams to managing workforces, from traditional operating models to new models fueled by data and analytics, we teach future leaders to compete by growing towards the best version of themselves and through helping others do the same, to cooperate with everyone around them, with a special focus on those with the greatest need, to powerfully contribute to a better future for all humanity, as leaders who serve the greater good. Integral leadership development, experiential learning on the front lines, a community of mutual advancement. Grow the good in business and accelerate your career at Notre Dame Mendoza.